How are you shocking others? You are shocking others simply just by minding your own business. You are shocking others by really focusing on yourself, by staying in your own lane. But there's an energy that you are exuding, and it's an energy of peace. It's an energy of inner peace, I must say. And it's also an energy of self-love. You're radiating love. You are shocking others with how beautiful you are. And it's not that you haven't been beautiful before, right? You've always been beautiful, but your inner beauty is shining outwardly, and this is what's making you even more stunning. So this is how some of you are shocking others. And I also feel like you are shocking others because it's almost as if you're not aware of how beautiful you are. I'm hearing you're very high vibrational. Would people say those exact words? I'm not sure. But I feel like they will say that they feel very serene when they're around you. They feel a sense of ease. They feel a sense of warmth, and they feel a sense of peace, because this is the energy that you are exuding. You are also shocking others because you could be turning down love suitors. Now, it's almost as if people feel like you are unaware, also, I may add, that other people are interested in you. So you could be shocking others because you're either turning down love suitors that most people would actually go for, or you could be oblivious to the fact that people are interested in you. You are shocking others because you are walking away from things that no longer serve you. And this could also include people. I feel strongly, though, it's more so of the case of you turning your back on potential love suitors. Now, like I said, I don't know if you're aware that these suitors are interested in you. Some of you actually are, but you're not interested. And people are shocked because some people think to themselves, like, if I was in his position, if I was in her position, I would have definitely dated that person, you know. But for some reason that's important to you, you are turning your back on a relationship right now, or you may have turned your back on a relationship. You may have walked away from a relationship that had a lot of potential, that had a lot of love, and maybe you and this individual may have gotten together, broken up, etc., and now you have walked away from this individual. Or there's something about people being shocked by the fact that somebody who they see as very attractive is chasing after you and you're not interested, or you're giving off the impression that you're not interested. Maybe you don't see that this person likes you. That could be the thing for some of you, because look, in the Eight of Cups, he's got his back turned. Or maybe you could be focusing on other situations such as family or work or whatever the case is. But people are shocked that somebody that may have been a person that doesn't necessarily get into relationships is very focused on you. This individual could possibly be falling in love with you. Now, you may not see it, like I said, but it's shocking other people because this could be the type of person that a lot of people want to date, and they just feel like it will never happen in this lifetime, or this person has a specific type, or we don't know what this person's type is, and you have managed to capture the attention of this person. And it's shocking to people, like, oh, so that's their type. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What, you know, it's very shocking. There's a bit of envy there, and there's a bit of, oh, okay, I feel, okay, I feel you. All right, so we're going to come off that. What's shocking people is that you are very eccentric. You got this very serene side to you, but you got this very eccentric side where you speak your mind, you march to the beat of your own drum. Some of you like to be alone a lot of the time, and this is quite shocking to some people, you know, because you do have an energy whereby you are very inviting, you are very social, but then there's another side to you when you want to do things separately and on your own. So this is quite shocking to people. People could be shocked by the way you speak as well. There's something about the way you speak. You know, people may have expected you to speak a certain way. And this could be people that are in your friend group, or that you just have gotten to know, acquaintances, people from your group, club, organizations. And even if they are old friends, right? when they first met you, they were quite shocked with the way that you spoke, because there's something about your energy that's very dynamic, that's very electrifying. But when you speak, you know, it shocks people because it makes them feel to themselves, I wouldn't necessarily have thought that you speak the way that you do. Now, you could speak in a very fast way. You could speak with an accent for some of you. You could speak, you know, very softly spoken, and it could be high pitched. There's something distinct about the way that you talk. People like it and people are shocked by it, and it just adds to your appeal. What shocks people about you is that I'm hearing you're very magnetizing. There's something very alluring about you. You know, you have this energy whereby you just draw others in, and people feel hypnotized by you. And I also feel for some of you that you have a lot of options, and you're not aware of the options that you have. You have this ability to hypnotize others with your appeal. I feel like some of you may have like Neptune in the first house, or Pisces ascendant, or something like that. But there's something very magical about your energy, and people just get swept away and swept up in your energy, and they want to stay there. You know, they want to actually stay there. What's shocking about you is how you are so creative. You have many different skills and talents. Just when people feel like they've worked you out, you shock them with something else that you do. What shocks people about you is that you are a kind soul. You know, you are so warm-hearted. You're very heart-centered, and you're very kind. You're very giving. And also, this could mean that a lot of people from the past want to return to you, because they always reminisce about the time that they shared with you, and the memories that they shared with you are very fond memories. And what is shocking about you to a specific person actually is that they actually want to relive the memories that they had with you. So this could be an ex-partner. This could be a person that has a crush on you in the now. This could be, you know, someone that you're in a situationship with. This could be a current partner. They feel like there's something familiar about you, and they also reminisce about the times that they spent with you, and they can't complain. You know, your energy was just so peaceful, so loving. It was like a pure, rich, warm, you know, soft-scented. I'm thinking of marshmallows. It was just perfect in their view. Like, there was nothing to complain about, and they're quite shocked by it. I don't know if they thought they was going to get some sort of loudness and vulgar behavior, but again, you just seem to shock people a lot of the time. What's shocking about you is that you are highly intelligent, and you are very analytical. You're able to size up a room. You're able to size people up as well. Just when people feel like they've got one over you, you've outsmarted people. You've got a mind of a scientist. You know, it's almost like, I wouldn't say you play chess with people, but people cannot outsmart you. You know, just when they think that they've got one over you, right? One up over you, you're 10 steps ahead, okay? It's like you see things before they actually happen, so you know how to play your position. What's shocking about you is that you love your family, and you're very family orientated. You're very playful. You're very jovial, and you're very cute as well. Like, you've got like this cute personality, and you see the best in others as well. And you could be like a joker, a prankster. You're just very light-hearted and jovial. But what's shocking about you is that family is very important. You know, creating a legacy is very important. And you're a person that is all about family first. You're very traditional. So you're the type of person that does want to get married, does want to create your own family, and you want to leave a legacy. You know, what's shocking about you is that you do have a big, kind heart. And when you love deeply. Only those that get the opportunity to date you will see how deep your love is. But you don't really wear your heart on your sleeve. You're very suspicious of people, but once you trust them, you let them in, and boy, are they in for a treat, because you love so deeply, and your love is so passionate, and you're very loyal as well. So what's shocking about you is that you're very focused, you're very determined, and you do have a side whereby you can shut people out, and you can wallow in things that you don't need to really focus on. Again, you're very traditional, and sometimes you may wait and may lose opportunities, but you do have a side to you that's very romantic, and Some people will view you as somebody that should be with someone on your level that is your match.